Welcome my English GK channel. Great Pyramid of Giza is located in which country? The correct answer is option B, Egypt. Which of the following is responsible for building a city-sized mausoleum for himself? The correct answer is option A, Queen Shi Huang. Which of the following ransacked Rome 455 AD? The correct answer is option B, Vandals. The process of Renaissance started at which of the following places? The correct answer is option D, Italy. In 1991, the historic START I treaty was signed in. The correct answer is option C, Moscow. Who started the mode of building macadamized roads? The correct answer is option B, John Macadam. What was the symbol for Hitler's Nazi party? The correct answer is option D, swastika. Mona Lisa was painted by which of the following? The correct answer is option A, Da Vinci. Who among the following was the first European to come to India? The correct answer is option B, Portuguese. Who invented the safety lamp? The correct answer is option C, Humphrey Davy. Who invented telephone?
To get more such important GK videos, subscribe this channel.
The correct answer is option B, Graham Bell. French Revolution started in which year? The correct answer is option C, 1789. What were members of Jacobin Club known as? The correct answer is option D, Sans-Culottes. Which empire built the Great Wall of China? The correct answer is option A, Han Dynasty. Jules Verne refers to which of the following? The correct answer is option D, Customs Union. The following was the longest battle of Second World War. The correct answer is option B, Battle of the Atlantic. In 15th century, the navigator was. The correct answer is option D, Henry. Previous name of the Cape of Good Hope was. The correct answer is option A, the Cape of Storms. Who translate Bible into English? The correct answer is option B, John Wycliffe. Who was made the commander-in-chief of the American Army in 1775? The correct answer is option D, George Washington. Thomas Paine in 1776 issued a pamphlet called. The correct answer is option A, Common Sense. Diderot and D'Alembert were the first to publish. The correct answer is option C, Encyclopedia. Which French scholar used the term Industrial Revolution for the first time? The correct answer is option B, Georges Michelet. Bloody Sunday in 1905 took place on. The correct answer is option C, 22nd January. Which of these was the first battle of Russia in First World War? The correct answer is option A, Battle of Tannenberg. What is the original name of Lenin? The correct answer is option C, Vladimir Ilyich. Which event is known as February Revolution? The correct answer is option B, the fall of Tsar. What was the slogan for Bolshevik Party? The correct answer is option C. All power to the Soviets. How many judges were there in the Permanent Court of International Justice in League of Nations? The correct answer is option A. 15. When is World Hypertension Day celebrated? The correct answer is option B. 17th May. Thank you for watching this video.